Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. Selling or buying a business? Thinking of selling your business? You will have worked hard to create value in your business, so don't gamble with your future. The sale and handover of a business can have some complications, and deals can fall through at the last minute because a lawyer or accountant claims to have found a problem, often in relation to records, property assets, transferred intellectual property problems, with existing contracts, or even with existing partners. The Emery Sale of Business Kit can help you to eliminate such potential pitfalls. It includes a comprehensive sale of business agreement to make sure you haven't missed anything in the process. More importantly, it contains subsidiary documents such as lease assignments, loan agreements if vendor finance is required, and a range of other agreements that can impact on the negotiation of the sale. The Sale of Business Kit will reduce your legal costs substantially, ensuring you get the maximum profit from the sale of your business while protecting your legal rights.